Are you considering Post Planner for your social media management and analytics needs? Before you make the purchase, there are 12 key things you should know, especially when comparing it to other options on the market. First up, Post Planner's main selling point is its content curation feature. It lets you discover the best performing content in your industry and schedule it across your social media accounts. This is great if you struggle with what to post, but keep in mind that other tools like Buffer also offer content scheduling, though Post Planner's curation system is more focused on engagement-driven content. Next thing to note is Post Planner's ease of use. It's designed to be simple, and the interface is clean, making it easy for beginners to pick up. However, if you're used to more comprehensive tools like Hootsuite, which offers a lot of customization, Post Planner might feel a little basic in comparison. The third thing is the analytics features. Post Planner does offer some insights into your social media performance, but it's not as in-depth as other options like Sprout Social. With Post Planner, you get basic metrics like engagement and reach, but if you're looking for more granular reporting, you might want to look elsewhere. Next, let's talk about pricing. Post Planner is affordable, especially compared to tools like Sprout Social, which can get pretty expensive. However, if you need advanced features, you'll find that other tools might provide more value for the same price range. The fifth thing is Post Planner's scheduling capabilities. It allows for bulk scheduling, which can save a lot of time, especially if you're managing multiple accounts. But compared to Buffer, which also offers similar scheduling features and more integrations, Post Planner may not be the best choice if you need maximum flexibility. Next up is Post Planner's focus on engagement. It's designed to help you improve your social media interactions by suggesting content that's most likely to resonate with your audience. However, if you need a platform that goes beyond suggesting content and also helps you manage community engagement, you may find that alternatives like SocialBee offer more comprehensive solutions. The seventh thing to keep in mind is that Post Planner integrates with major social platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. But if you're managing accounts on platforms like LinkedIn or Pinterest, you might find Post Planner's integrations a bit lacking compared to tools like Later, which offer broader platform support. The eighth thing is Post Planner's customer support. They offer live chat and email support, but compared to services like Hootsuite, which has more extensive training materials and support resources, Post Planner's support might feel more limited. Next thing to know is the mobile experience. Post Planner has a mobile app that's handy for managing posts on the go, but it's not as polished as apps from competitors like Buffer, which is known for its more robust mobile interface. The 10th thing to mention is automation. Post Planner offers some automation, like recurring posts, but doesn't go as far as tools like Zapier, which allows you to automate a wide range of workflows with different apps. So, if you're looking for more advanced automation, Post Planner may not fully meet your needs. Another important point is Post Planner's user limits. The basic plan allows for up to 5 accounts, which is sufficient for most small businesses. However, if you need to manage more accounts, you'll have to upgrade to a higher tier plan. Competitors like SocialBee offer more flexibility when it comes to account management on their entry-level plans. The 12th and final thing to know is that Post Planner's focus is really on small to medium businesses. It's perfect for companies that don't need extensive features but still want to maintain a solid social media presence. If you're running a large enterprise or need advanced reporting and campaign management, it's worth considering other tools like Sprinkler. In conclusion, Post Planner is a solid option for those who need an affordable, easy-to-use social media management tool with content curation and scheduling features. However, if you're looking for more advanced analytics, greater automation, or broader integrations, you may want to explore our recommended solution. You can try it for free and see if it's a better fit for your business needs.